Want to get some cool engagement to your CPA marketing offers? In this video right here, I'm going to give you a cool and amazing strategy that you can actually use to start promoting your CPA marketing offers. So guys, I'm going to walk you through this step by step. It's going to be 100% free strategy, also going to be a beginner friendly strategy. So grab hold of this particular strategy and start making use of this right now. So without much delay of time, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So the first things first, go on to a CPA marketing platform to get a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote. And guys, I'm just going to just simply come right here, go on to Cpagrip, click on offer tools, my offers, and actually do go on to selecting an offer right there from a top tier country such as the United States. And guys, you can actually see offers that are available to this demographic right here. But guys, it's actually important that you do go on to selecting a sweepstake offer, which is actually like a giveaway offer right now. And out of these offers which I can actually see right here, this is actually the giveaway offer available right here, which is about $750, which you could go on to spending towards your summer style. And you can actually do see more details about this offer right now. So you want to leave this page open and you want to just simply head on to this platform called the Google site, otherwise known as the site of google.com, to go on to creating a cool and amazing landing page. And you want to create a high converting landing page. I'm just going to come right here, click on blank to actually create this landing page right now. So guys, I'm going to focus on the health and fitness niche, and I'm just going to put in something like so if I do type in something like this, you say simple exercises that relieve back pain. I'm just going to come right here, drag this to this section, so actually move that to that particular section. I'm also going to do that in this section right here. If I do move this to this particular section, as you can see, this is how it's going to look right now. I'm going to come right here, bolding the text, and actually do go on to reducing the font size. If I do come right here and reduce the font size, so let me say 30, and you can actually see how this looks right now. I'm going to come right here, click on image, and actually go on to selecting an image from this particular platform. So you can see right now it's going to load and show me a lot of images right now, but I'm just going to come right here, click on search, and I'm just going to type in something like exercise. So if I do type in exercise right now and click on enter, I'll be showing a lot of images right there which you can actually use for a background image. So I'm going to just simply come right here and maybe select one of this image right now. If I do select this image, click on select, you will be able to see that that image will actually go on to be in the background image of this particular section. So once that actually loads up, guys, you then want to just simply go on to maybe using this particular platform which is called ChatGPT, and use ChatGPT to generate content for that particular page. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write an article on simple exercises that relieve back pain. And if I do click on enter right now, ChatGPT should in no time start actually writing that article for me. And guys, you can see right here that ChatGPT has actually begun writing this article for me right now. And I'm just going to go wait until ChatGPT is actually done writing this article. And I'm going to copy this article and use that for my landing page. So guys, once ChatGPT is actually done writing this article, guys, I'm just going to come right here, highlight the entire article. So once I do highlight the entire article, I'm going to head back to this landing page creator site. Just going to come right here, click on text box. And if I do click on text box, I'm going to paste in that particular content right here. As you can see, the content has actually been pasted. What I'm going to do right now is that you can see right here, it actually generated content for each and every exercise right here which you could do to relieve back pain. So right now I have about some exercises right here which I can actually make use of. So first, I'm just going to go on to checking for this cat cow stretch. If I do highlight this or copy that, I'm going to head on to YouTube right here, and I'm just going to go on to searching for videos that are actually related to this particular exercise. So you can see this video right now. I'm just going to come right here, highlight this video, or right click on the video, and actually do click on copy link address to this video. So once I do that, guys, I'm going to head back to my landing page site, and I'm just going to come right there to the bottom. I'm just going to click on embed right now, and I'm just going to paste in that URL right here to that video. Click on insert, and guys, it's actually going to go on to inserting that particular video right here in this particular landing page. So you can see this how it actually looks right now. I'm just going to click on insert, and guys, this particular video has actually been inserted. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to go on to stretching this video right here to this end right now. And if I just stretch this video to this end, I'm just going to come right here. As you can see, I'm going to copy this content right here from this child's post or the cat cow stretch right now. I'm just going to copy this and actually do go on to, or maybe I'm just going to put in everything, embed each and every video which I want to use first. Then later on I'll go on to rearranging that. So I'm going to go on to for checking for the child post and every other video right here, every other exercise right here. I'm going to get a video for that. So I'm going to pause this until I actually do get that. So guys, I've actually got videos for each and every one of those exercises right now. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go on to adding text boxes right here after each and every single video. So I'm just going to click on text box right now, and right now for this section I'm also going to go on to adding a text box. Here right here I'm also going to go on to adding a text box, and you can actually see that this is actually amazing right now. So right now guys, I successfully added a text box for each and every exercise right now. I'm just going to go on to maybe for the section that actually do have the cow stretch, I'm just going to remove all this section right now, leaving only the cat stretch right there. And once I do cut that section right now guys, you can see this only has this cow stretch, and this is actually the exercise right here for the cow stretch. So I'm just going to come right here, paste in the other text right now, which are actually having everything except the cat stretch. So I'm just going to copy and remove every other thing, leaving the child post only. So once I do that guys, I'm going to come right to this section for this, paste in that right here, and actually do go on to doing the same similar thing right now. I'm going to cut all this section and just simply come right here, paste in that right now. For the bridge post, I'm just going to copy all this also, and do head on to this section, paste in that right now. I'm also going to do this right here for this last section, which is for the wall seat. And if I do copy this right now or cut that, I'm going to come right here, paste in that. And for the conclusion, I'm just going to cut this section also. And I'm going to go simply come right here, add in a text also, and just simply type in the conclusion. And you can see right now that this is how cool and amazing this landing page actually looks like. And guys, I could just simply go on to stretching this all through this section right here, so you can actually see how it looks like. I could also do the similar thing for this video right now, stretch it throughout this section. Also do the same thing for all other videos out there. So guys, right now you can see that this is a cool and amazing landing page right here. What you actually have to do right now is to just simply add in a text box, and I'm just going to drag this to the bottom section, that is that particular text box. So once I put that right here, I'm just going to put in something like giveaway. Once I put in something like this, I'm just going to come right here and add in a call to action for that particular CPA marketing offer which I want to promote. So I could just simply put in something like this, which says click the button below for a free giveaway to get workout equipment. And right now I'm just going to come right here, click on button. I'm going to put in something like click here, and if I do type in something like that, I'm going to go to my Cpagrip offer, copy the link right here to this offer, head back to my landing page, and actually do go on to paste that link right here. So I'm going to go on to clicking on insert right now. So once this has actually been inserted, I'm just going to drag this right here to this section, and you can see how it looks right now. So once I'm done with this guys, I'm just simply going to go on to publish this page, and I'm going to click on publish right now. I'm going to give it a web address. So if I do give it something such as this, and you can see right here it has already been taken, I'm just going to select something else, and right now you can see this is actually available. If I do click on publish, as you can see right now it has been published. I could click on this link icon to actually go on to copying the link right now. I can then just simply head on to a new tab and actually go on to paste in that particular link, and you are going to see how cool that landing page actually looks like. So guys, the page is actually still loading up, but you can actually see how it actually looks right now. Once it loads up successfully, you see how cool and amazing it looks right here, and you can see our CPA marketing offer right down at the bottom right here. If someone do come right here and click here, it's automatically going to take them to that CPA marketing offer. So you just want to make sure you do go on to driving traffic to this landing page. And how do you do that? Take advantage of this platform right here, which is called Quora.com. And right here on Quora guys, we just simply search for niches that are actually related to that particular health and fitness niche. So I'm just going to search for back pain. So if I just search for back pain related groups or sections right there, or questions, you're actually going to be seeing a lot of stuff. So you can actually see this question right here which says what's the best solution for back pain. You just want to go on to giving your answer right there. Maybe you want to just simply copy the first paragraph right there of this particular section, just simply copy this particular text in this box right here, copy that and actually do give that as an answer for this question right here. And you want to just simply tell them that if they actually want to get the full article, click on the link below, and you just want to put in the link to your landing page right there. And once you do that, guys, a lot of people will be interested in going to that link, and if they do go to that link, they will be actually solving their problem, as you are going to be showing them simple exercises, solve back pain. We're actually giving them some cool and amazing YouTube videos that could actually help them. If they do go through, guys, they'll be able to see the CPA marketing offer at the end, which they can actually do go on to click in, and you do get paid some cool commissions once you do get such traffic to such CPA marketing offer and qualified leads right there. This is an amazing strategy which you want to take advantage of. You go on to ask many questions that are actually related to that and start giving some cool and amazing answers. So right now, guys, you could just simply maybe go on to Quora right here and answer a lot of questions about back pain. As you can see, these are actually a lot of questions. What's the best solution to back pain? How do I get rid of lower back pain? What are the best natural ways to treat back pain? And you can actually see a lot of posts right here about back pain. So just simply go on to answering them in that exact same manner which I actually did show you. And guys, once you are done with that, you could just simply go on to writing a post. Also, come right here, click on this section, and you want to just simply go on to this section which says create post. And if you do that right now, you just want to go on to maybe writing a post right there about back pain. You just simply copy this title right here which says simple exercise that relieve back pain. Head on to Quora right there, paste that in right there in this section. And once you want to come right here to this particular section, maybe I'm just going to go back to my landing page. I'm just going to copy this introduction and the first paragraph right now. If I do copy that, head back to Quora and just go on to pasting that right here. As you can see right now, I'm just going to put in something like for the full article, click the link below. So if I do type in something like this right here, I'm just going to put in something like click here. So if I do type in click here, guys, I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to just simply go on to copying the link to this particular landing page. Copy the link and just simply copy the link right now. Head back to that particular Quora page, click on this section and just simply go on to clicking on this link icon, paste that particular icon right here and click on add. And right here, guys, you can see this has actually been added right here. Once someone actually do come right here and click on click here, it's automatically going to take them to that landing page, which if they're interested and do go on to reading this right here to the end, they'll see my CPA marketing offer that is actually going to help me drive traffic to this offer. And if they do complete that, I do get paid $2.31 for each and every successful lead right there to that offer. This is an amazing strategy which you want to use right now. Just simply go on to posting this on Quora, or you could actually use other social media platforms out there, as many other social media platforms out there to do this. So guys, why not just grab hold of this strategy right now and start making use of this to promote your CPA marketing offer. And guys, if this video has been of help to you, simply go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.